Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to replace a Mercedes crankshaft position sensor. This is a common point of failure on the E320 and E500 W211 Mercedes, and it also applies to other models with the M112 engine and M113 engine, including the ML, SL, and S-Class series. Here's the part number from Bosch, and as we mentioned, this part applies to a range of Mercedes and even the AMG models like the E55. Here's what it looks like again. It's got a cylindrical end that goes into the engine and sort of an oval end that's the connector. Here's where it's located on the E320, and this is similar on all the models. It's in the back near the bell housing, and here we're going to get a closer look at it. There it is. So that's got a connector that you're going to push down on that tab and then pull to release that connector. Okay, this is what it looks like when the tab has been pressed down and the connector has been released but not fully disconnected. And here's what it looks like with the connector fully disconnected. Now that that's out of the way, this is what you're going to need to unscrew the bolt. You're going to need an E8 external Torx and 1 to 3 extensions depending upon your engine and how it fits in the engine bay, as well as a ratchet, of course, to loosen that. Now here's the bolt, and you got to be careful. You don't want to over tighten or strip this when you're trying to remove it. We recommend putting a little bit of dielectric grease on the connector. Of course, don't put that on the sensor side, only on the 2-prong connector side. Here's what it looks like without the crankshaft position sensor in the engine. Of course, don't get any dust or any debris in that hole. Here's what it looks like with the new connector in. And one suggestion to slightly twist it back and forth until you get it fully seated. And also make sure that it's at the same orientation as the one that came out. That's going to be important to line up the bolt hole. And here's a quick tip for you. To make sure that you don't drop the bolt when you're screwing it back in, put a little piece of paper between the bolt and the socket, and that's going to hold onto it just like this, so it won't drop when you're putting it back in. We recommend tightening by hand first, and then coming back with the ratchet just to snug it up. Carefully reconnect the connector until you get that satisfying click that the tab is engaged. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you. Let us know down in the comments which model of Mercedes you have. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe. We hope you have a great day.